Hi everyone, my name is Maha and I am a native Lebanese Arabic speaker. I created this channel to help you understand and learn how to speak Arabic in a very natural way. My channel is based on something called comprehensible input. That means that you can actually learn how to speak this dialect without learning the rules. In all my videos, I speak only 100% in Arabic, but I always provide Arabic and English subtitles. In order to benefit from my videos the most, I recommend you listen the first time without any subtitles. You have to determine if this video is your level. It should not be too hard, neither too easy. If you can understand somewhere around 70%, that means that it's your level. Listen to the video a second time using Arabic subtitles to see the words that you missed, to check the pronunciation, and the third time you can listen to it with English subtitles or any other language to confirm that what you understood was correct. My new videos have burned-in subtitles. That means that they are a part of the video and they are in Arabic. But the first time you listen, try not to look at the subtitles. Try to listen, focus on understanding the meaning to see how much you can understand. You don't need to listen for 1 hour every day. Even 10 minutes a day is enough if you are repeating the same video for a few times before you move on to another video. This is how we learn, by repetition. We don't learn just by watching videos. You have to repeat. You have to watch the same content over and over until you learn, until you understand, until it starts to feel easy. If you're looking for extra support for transcripts or private lessons or ways to support my channel, you can go to the link below.